Hi, we finally got a chance to do some more videos. I'm going to do it in two parts. First one is just a general description of the machine, and the second one will have the machine actually working. Down at the lower right is my water tank. It's an 11-gallon tank, got it from Harbor Freight, and I use air pressure over here through an air regulator, which is set for about 20 pounds, and there's a control valve there to control the flow in and out of the tank. This machine is a downdraft water table. It has both features. It has a water tray there at the top of the screen, and it has a 950 cubic foot per minute downdraft fan. I'll show you that in a little while. There's the X-axis drive. This is a dual drive machine on the X-axis. I use 265-ounce steppers through a 4-to-1 belt reduction. I use V-rails on the X-axis, and there's the V-rail pulley there, and there's the rail itself. Now, I used a number 4 rail from Pacific Bearing, but I'm pretty sure you can get away with a number 3 or even a number 2. This was a little bit of an overkill. That's my earth ground clamp on the back of the machine on the rail. I haven't had a chance to put the actual plate on yet. In the back here is the electronics box. I now have a digital torch height controller in it. This is the LCTHC from CNC, and I'm just in the process of getting it set up. It's working very well so far. In the back of the LCTHC are the power supplies. There's a 48 volt and a 12 volt over there. On the bottom of the tray, of the box, is two 5-inch computer fans, which provide the cooling. That little box card there with the green light on it is the G540 interface card that goes with the torch height controller. It allows you to just put a simple cable in and avoid all the wiring. My 540 sits on the side. There it is with all of the motor cables and the parallel port cable in it. Down the bottom is the blower motor, and that little thing to the side is the belt drive cover. My electric switches are over here. I have one switch to control the blower, one to control the electronics, and a 110 volt outlet. Moving to this side of the machine is the other X-axis drive. This is a slaved drive to the other side. I'm using Mark III, so this is actually the A-axis, which is slaved over to the X. But again, the same configuration, 4-to-1 belt reduction. And again, the belt drive. I don't know if you can see it up there, but here's the X-axis drive belt, and there's one on the other side. Down here is the blower. This sits under the slag screen holder. I have a plate that goes under the water tray. It has several screens in it. There are 60 mesh screens, and all the air intake for the blower comes down through there. So, and the doors just slide in or out. You can do it for maintenance. There's my cable racking, and it's a flexible rack. I got it from Hubbard CNC on on eBay, and it was a lot cheaper than IGUS or any of the others, especially the ones through McMaster Carr. My torch cable goes on this little holder. It clamps up to the back on the X-axis drive, and this thing just swings as the cable moves. So it works pretty well. It's very simple and works well. There's the water tray. Again, it's 2.5 inches deep. There's the screen for the drain. And the slats are out. I was doing a little cleaning this morning. But they just sit in this rail along the side here. And there's one on the other side. On the front of the machine, the little door there allows me access to the screen filters. And they get quite dirty. The downdraft takes a lot of the stuff that normally would go into the air and sucks it down. What doesn't get caught in the screens, which is basically smoke and extremely fine particles, I exhaust outside through this flexible duct, and it works very well. It's a 12-inch duct, and it's 16 feet long. So on this side of the machine there's one more door. This is the door right here under the rail. That allows me to remove the water tray. I can take that off and just slide the water tray out. Unfortunately, a little design error, I have to take that motor off on the side. That's it for the machine except for the cutter. I'm using a Chinese plasma cutter. I know everybody kind of looks down on them, but this is a Cut 40. Got it from Giant Tech several years ago. It must be 3 years old now. And it works extremely well. Probably doesn't give the quality of cut of a Hypertherm or Thermal Dynamics, but for now it's working fine. One other thing, there is the sensor card that goes with the torch height controller. This actually measures the actual tip voltages and controls the torch relay and the current sensing transformer, and then feeds it back through a DB20 RS-232 cable all the way to the back. So that's it for the machine. The next video I'll have it in action, and thank you.